Incremental refresh is like a morning coffee, keeps you going without rebrewing the whole pot. It ensures data refreshes are quick and efficient, handling massive datasets without breaking a sweat. By optimizing Power BI's performance, it reduces redundant processing, saving time and resources. Think of it as a smart assistant that knows exactly what data needs an update, making your reports seamless and up-to-date. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine updating your wardrobe. You don't buy a whole new set every season, just a few trendy pieces. That's what incremental refresh does for data. It only refreshes new or modified records, using set parameters to streamline the process. This leads to quicker updates and lower resource usage, making it a perfect strategy for handling large datasets efficiently. Let's talk benefits. First, it speeds up data processing, no more waiting ages for a refresh. Second, it's a lifesaver for servers, cutting down on strain and keeping operations smooth. Third, it sharpens reporting efficiency, your dashboards load faster and work smarter. Lastly, it ensures data accuracy by focusing only on relevant updates. It's like having a personal data assistant that only does the necessary work. Before you jump into incremental refresh, make sure you've got the essentials. First, you'll need a Power BI Pro or Premium license. Next, your data source must support query folding. Think of it like folding a map neatly for quick access. A well-structured data model is a must, and don't forget those magical parameters, RangeStart and RangeEnd, to define data refresh boundaries. With these in place, you're set for a seamless refresh experience. Let's talk about making our data refresh faster and smarter. Incremental refresh helps by processing only the latest data instead of reloading everything, saving time and resources. No one wants to wait forever for reports to update, right? Plus, it keeps historical data intact while making updates seamless. In short, it's like upgrading from dial-up to high-speed internet for your data. Great things always come with a few catches. Incremental refresh isn't a magic wand. It works best with supported data sources. Setting up partitions correctly is a must, or things can get messy. Troubleshooting can feel like solving a mystery novel, and storage can become an issue if not managed properly. But hey, even superheroes have weaknesses. It's all about handling them wisely. Want smooth and efficient data refreshing? Start by filtering ranges smartly. This prevents unnecessary overload. Always keep an eye on query performance, because slow queries mean slow reports. Power BI has built-in features to help, so use them to your advantage. Finally, a refresh policy isn't a set-it-and-forget-it deal. Tweaking it regularly ensures you're getting the best speed and efficiency. Dataflows are the secret sauce to a better incremental refresh. They help by pre-processing data before it reaches Power BI, making things run faster. With scalable transformations, your refresh performance is way better, and the dataset load is reduced, meaning fewer bottlenecks. Imagine preparing ingredients beforehand for a quick meal. That's what Dataflows do for your data. Old data doesn't stay untouched forever. Sometimes it needs updating. The trick is identifying which partitions need a refresh instead of processing everything again. Selective refresh is key. It's like editing only a few pages instead of rewriting the whole book. Keeping data accurate prevents inconsistencies, ensuring reports stay reliable over time. How do you know if your refresh is running smoothly? By tracking its duration. Bottlenecks can slow things down, so pinpointing them is crucial. Power BI's performance logs are like detective tools. They reveal where improvements are needed. Using these insights lets you optimize refresh speed like tuning up a sports car. Troubleshooting can feel like untangling a bunch of wires, but don't worry. Refresh failures. Check your setup and connection stability. Data mismatches. Make sure transformation logic is correct. Setup errors. Review partition rules. And don't forget compliance. It's always better to stay within guidelines than deal with unexpected surprises. So what's the big takeaway? Incremental refresh is a game changer for saving time and resources. Following best practices makes everything smoother. Using Dataflows kicks things up a notch, and regular monitoring keeps performance in check. Mastering these techniques turns a frustrating refresh process into a seamless experience. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.